Yeah, I'm Tim Hart, the owner of HireWays Limited. We started in 1998. We've always been interested in machinery. Father was brought up on the farm, so we thought, okay, it could be an opening in New Zealand. We'll start off with tractors. So we bought quite a few John Deere tractors. That went reasonably well. The market changed, so we started buying machines out of Japan. Started with a lot of second-hand machines. We were limited with capital. Imported a lot. We'd hire them out, or do them up first, paint them up, get them looking right, and hire them out for a number of years and sell them. Now, currently, obviously, buy mostly new. We work with the tier 1 customers, as we call them, Higgins, Folden Hovens, Goodmans, all those sort of the top companies that we try and work with. Downers, another big one. They've been great to deal with. We've got 4 branches. We had Masterton, Porirua, and Whanganui. And Palmerston is our main branch. We have, I think it's another 65 staff involved in the hire. Some of them been with us 25 years. We've got a full range of machines, from bulldozers, diggers, graders, rollers, paction trucks, dumper trucks. Market size for excavators is quite large for us. I think we run likely 300 excavators, and bulldozers probably 30. Dumpers and trucks was 10 to 15. On-road dumpers and trailers. Early days, the 6-tonner was one of the main diggers, 12-tonners for farmers. As we've grown and got into the tier 1 customers, up to 30, 40 tonnes as well. In the early days, quick hitches were not a thing, and tool buckets, no one had them at the start. You'd have to try and move your digger to get your levels. Once the tool bucket came, we saw it as a win for us. Absolutely fantastic. It got us ahead in the market. Certainly wouldn't have anything without a tilt bucket now, obviously. Paddy tilts, you can take your bucket 180 degrees, and that's an advantage for some people, some jobs. We do have a range with our hire of different size diggers, and generally speaking, we use the heli tilts when we're using GPS systems. You've got fantastic control. With GPS systems, it works really well for us, and that's where the market is heading. I think it's 2011. We've been buying off Attached 2, and we've got the whole range. The opportunity for Attached 2 to use us to test stuff out has been fantastic, and ideas and updates from our engineers. Get a lot of response from customers on that, so if there's adjustments needed or updates, we work closely with their team. We've found them brilliant to deal with. They always stand by their product. They generally stock everything. They do have the advantage over others, and they stick to their word. They have fantastic backup service and fast service. They'll drop tools, they'll do whatever for us anytime. The market does change in areas. I know Auckland, they like the tilt rotators. That's a big market up here, and generally they demand that in the hire. This area is still, you've got a mixture of different ones wanting different sort of buckets, different tilts. And we've noticed in Japan, they have 1 bucket per digger. In New Zealand, we have 6-8 attachments per machine, and it makes them so versatile. So obviously Attached 2 set a lot of different style of attachments, so it's been great for us. It's opened up the market as well, so it's been a win-win for both there. We're getting very good feedback from operators on Attached 2. For me, they're number 1 in New Zealand. Because Joe has been in contracting as a younger person, he knows what's needed in the market, and ourselves, because we're dealing with customers in the same market, doing great results from that side for both of us. As a customer, you can't afford to have a machine down, your bucket's down, or your tilt hitch is broken, you need the parts quickly, you need action. Well, that's the action you get from Attached 2. We can move fast like Attached 2. If someone needs something in a hurry, we'll do it, and we don't have to go to a board. It's family business. We can make decisions fast and get off the job for our customers.